Industrial pollution occurs when factories and industries discharge untreated or poorly treated waste into rivers. These wastes include chemicals, heavy metals, oils, acids, and organic matter. Such pollution has serious environmental consequences for river systems and the life that depends on them. Here are environmental impacts of industrial pollution on the river system. 1. Water contamination. Industrial effluents introduce toxic substances such as mercury, lead, cadmium, and chemicals into rivers, making the water unsafe for drinking, irrigation, and domestic use. 2. Death of aquatic life. Poisonous chemicals reduce oxygen levels in water and directly harm fish, insects, and plants. This can lead to massive fish kills and the disappearance of sensitive species. 3. Disruption of aquatic ecosystems. Pollution alters the natural balance of river ecosystems by killing beneficial organisms and allowing pollution-tolerant species to dominate, reducing biodiversity. 4. Bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Toxic substances accumulate in the bodies of aquatic organisms and increase in concentration up the food chain, posing serious health risks to humans and animals that consume contaminated fish. 5. Eutrophication. Industrial waste rich in nutrients promotes excessive growth of algae. When algae die and decompose, oxygen levels drop, creating dead zones where aquatic life cannot survive. 6. Change in water color, taste, and odor. Industrial pollutants often discolor water and produce unpleasant smells, making rivers unattractive and unsuitable for recreational and domestic use. 7. Sedimentation and river bed pollution. Heavy metals and solid wastes settle on riverbeds, contaminating sediments and affecting bottom-dwelling organisms for long periods. 8. Loss of livelihoods. Communities that depend on rivers for fishing, farming, and tourism suffer economic losses due to polluted water and declining fish populations. 9. Spread of waterborne diseases. Polluted rivers become breeding grounds for disease-causing organisms, increasing the risk of illnesses such as cholera, typhoid, and dysentery. 10. Long-term environmental degradation. Persistent industrial pollutants can remain in river systems for decades, causing long-lasting damage that is costly and difficult to reverse.